Do you want change a language in MultiVersus? Okay, we are going to the change a language. Okay, in MultiVersus, the first step, go to the MultiVersus. Okay, on PC or PS4, PS5. Okay, and here you go to the settings. Okay, here in settings. Okay, you click here in this icon, and here in game options go to the settings. Okay, and here you go to the audio language. Okay, go here and scrolling down, go to the language options and the section language. Here you select, okay, the language. Okay, and you change the language. Bye bye.